For over 30 years, Pure and Gentle has made personal and home care products that are good for you and good for the planet. From health and beauty products like shampoo and hand soaps, to home care products such as disinfectants and multi-purpose cleaners, our passion is providing you with quality products that not only keep you and your house clean and fresh, but safe from harmful additives too. Life happens. We get that. That's why we offer a wide variety of products for your every need. Our laundry soaps leave your clothes clean, bright, and free of stains without the use of optical brighteners. Our dish soaps are free of phosphate and deliver stunning results with spotless, sparkling dishes. Our soaps and shampoos are gentle on skin and hair, and our all-purpose and deodorizer cleaners leave your home immaculate and smelling fresh. We believe that an ingredient list should be simple and natural. That's why you won't find items like dyes, phosphates, petroleum chemicals, or chemical preservatives listed on the label. You can have peace of mind knowing everyone in your home, from your kids to your pets, is as safe as they are clean. Using products like ours is not only good for you, but it's good for our planet too. By avoiding the use of harmful additives, we reduce the amount of synthetic chemicals that get put back into the water system we use every day. We are committed to reducing our environmental impact by only using sustainable plant-based materials in our products. Our manufacturing practices follow guidelines that are specified by the EPA and FDA. That's why we're so passionate about what we do. It's about more than soaps and household cleaners to us. It's about taking care of you, your family, and our planet. Your family, your health, and your home are important to you, and that means it's important to us. It's our mission to help you care for the things that really matter by providing you with the safest, most effective products available. At Pure and Gentle, we believe in sustainable products for sustainable lives. We hope you'll allow us to help you create a home that is happy and healthy for you and your family.